I love to smile now. I mean, you couldn't get me to smile before, but now it's like, look at them chompers, look at them babies. I came to Doc Bean a year ago in tears. I had a dentist tell me I had to remove all my teeth. Doc Bean told me, he goes, look, get your diabetes under control, get your gums stronger. We're gonna cap your teeth and make it look nice. He's capped these teeth and I have a beautiful smile. So I believe in these people 100%. I'm no longer diabetic. He believed in me enough to work with me, gave me special mouthwash to use to help build up the strength in the gums. You know, that tells me that's somebody who cares about what they do. You know, it's not all about the dollar sign. Everybody here makes you feel like you're part of the family. I mean, they are the most phenomenal dentist in Greenville. I never really liked my smile because my teeth were crooked. But now it's like, look at them chompers, look at them babies. People at my coworkers at work, I tell them, I said, you gotta go there. Because not only are they good, but they're friendly, they're professional. Both him and his wife are just the most amazing people.